Hey guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install a trailer wiring harness in your Honda CRV 2007 or 2011. Here is the wiring harness that I bought from Amazon. I will put in the link in the description below. So let's you do before you get to that wiring harness, which is right there in the factory plug and play location. So first you have to remove this plastic panel. I remove only one side, and you do have to remove this toe thing from that side, and it's gonna need a 10mm socket. So you remove this, you remove the top cover which is there. So these two things, if you don't have anything else, I have a lot of stuff in the trunk. So then I remove this one. Simply you can pull this out with this plastic thingy. Let me show you where it is. So you're gonna need this thing to pull that thing out. There is one pin here, one pin there. You make sure to remove it before you pull this out. So that's what I did. So yeah, let me show you the wiring harness. So hopefully this is long enough. Okay, so here's the wiring harness. I'm gonna plug this in.
Did you guys take the
And I bought these ones. These are cable wires, 100 pieces. Luckily I bought it. It was not planned to use here, but I'm gonna use this and put these cables together so they don't move around when the vehicle moves. Alright guys, so wiring harness is installed. As you can see, it was simply plug and play, and it went down. I could not find any spot where I can take this vehicle down to the bumper. So what I did, I used the vent thing. There is a vent for the air, so I used that one, and it was very simple and easy to take the wire down there. And I'll show you. So very simple from here to there, just hanging around, but it's solid from the top because I put the zip ties there, so now it's not gonna go nowhere. And one of them I'm probably going to put here, so it will be more solid and will not move around, or maybe inside somewhere to make the wire more snug. So yeah, that's about it. It's pretty simple step if you follow, and you can easily do it yourself. So if you like this video and find this video helpful, do like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.